Hello friends, today I am going to show you tools. In this toolbar, we have different options in this tool. Okay guys, so in these tools, I am going to explain you one by one. First, I want to tell you the names. This is the tool name. In this tool name, this is the zoom. This name is zoom in, zoom out, pan, full extent. This one is fixed zoom in, fixed zoom out, go back to preview extend. This one is go to next extend, select features, clear selection feature, select element identifier, hyperlink. This one is measure, find, go to xy coordinates. This is the create view window. So these all are things I am going to explain you one by one. Okay guys. Okay, now I am going to start editing data. So this tool I am going to use zoom in. So for example, you want to see this location with this particular location in a zoom in. So that time you can use this tool. Click this one, zoom in. You want to see this location, just click on left button to leave it. Then it will zoom in. You want to see the zoom this particular point, you can click this one to see. Like this we can use zoom in. So next I am going to tell you zoom out. This one zoom out, you want to zoom out, you want to see this full name, full line, or what are things is there still. So that time you can use this, click this one, click on right button, left button to this one, it will decrease the data. See, we can see whatever data is there. Like this we can use zoom out. Next I am going to show you pan. This pan, click this pan, and you want to move the data or left, right, top and bottom. Just the pan, click this pan, and mouse click left button. You can move left or right or top to bottom. You can leave it. Then we can see the data. Like this we can use pan. Now I am going to use full extend. So this, we want to see the complete data window. So for example, I will take zoom. So this data I zoom, but we don't know what data is there, complete data is there or not. So that time we can use full extend. That time what are the data is there, the things data will be show the window complete full extend. See, before we seen only this much of data. Here cursor, see the cursor. Now whenever we use this full extend, then it will show complete data. These things also available. So that time we can use full extend. Now this one is fixed zoom in. So for example, this data is there. So if you click this one fixed zoom in, data will coming to front like zoom. Like this you can use this one. Now this one is a zoom out, fixed zoom out. If you click this one continuously, it will go zoom out. It will visible it will show. Now this one go back to previous extend. So before we seen full extend data, when you use this one, go back to previous extend. This one will come step by step backward. See, this one is coming backward before we zoom up to here. Now this one is go to next extend. Before where you bring zoom out, then we bring to front, right? That times we will click this one, go to next. See, like this we can use go to next. I'll zoom first data. So next we are going to use select feature. See, for example, we want to select this data. That time we can use select, and this one select this element, it will select this only. If you want to select this complete data, click left button and drag to leave it. In rectangle box it will select only this data. So this is like select feature. So now next one is clear selected feature. So we use this selected feature, so we want to unselect this all whatever selected, we want to unselect, then we have to click clear selected feature, then it will unselected the features. Like this we can use. So now next is select element. This select element we can use without start editing and not feature class. We can use the, for example I will show, this is the draw tool. For example, if you draw this one you cannot select feature data, we selected only internal this data. If you select this one by using this select element, you can edit or you can move extension this one, or you can select and the tool to this one we can delete by using select element. Like this we can use. Next, this is the identifier. What is the identifier? If you want to see that this attributes or what are the features, we can use identifier. Then if you select this line, we can know the what are the feature we selected and what are the feature have the attribute tables values. This is the feature class name, this is the attributes, this is the values. Like this we can use this identify tool. Now I am going to show you the measure. So this measure, if you want to see the in this point to this point between the length, okay, that time we can use measure. For example, I will select this line to here. See, when you move the cursor, you can see the here value length. Okay, now I will select this one. See the value. See this much of the value. In between this point to this point. Like this we can use this point measurement tool. Next we are going to see the finder. Click this to the find. For example, you want to see the find. For example, I will took this ID, object ID. This is the ID is 633. I will type 633. Just click find. See the this is the object ID. If you click this one, we can see the here feature names. See, but we want to pipeline line feature, but here it is showing pipeline junction. Here we can see the feature name also. So if you see the you want to see the pipeline line feature class, here find out. If you click this one, you can right button, you can select zoom that layer, or you can select that feature. We can see this. Like this we can use find. Next we are going to see the go to extend. For example, I have already taken the xy coordinates. So this is the xy, copy and paste. Next copy the y, then paste. Then you have to select or zoom or pan or this one flash. If you click this one, it is flash somewhere. So you want to zoom, click zoom. See here it is zoom. See here this is the x, in this one the xy coordinates we are taken. So see here it is zoom. We can go wherever you want by using xy coordinates. Okay guys, like that. Now I am going to show you the final one. This is the create view window. For example, we want to see this particular area in that zoom create view window. Just drag to left button, click on that, leave it. See this all it is showing a small window. We can use all options. What are the options available here? You can use it. Pan it, data complete. Here if you click this one, full extend or zoom, fixed zoom in, fixed zoom out, preview, we can use this one. Okay guys, like this we can use this tool and these options. Okay guys, thank you so much.